In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a transcript of a YouTube video. So what I'm going to do is go to my channel and I'll show you using one of my videos. So we will use this video here as an example, how to deploy GitHub project on Netlify. Now what you need to do is you need to go ahead and scroll down. Now before, the transcript button used to be the three dots and it used to be here. Now you need to click on more under the description. Then you'll see transcript. Here you can click show transcript and it will then show in the top right hand corner. From here you can click on the three dots and click toggle timestamps, and then you can filter by timestamps. You can also click Ctrl F on your keyboard and then you can search for a specific word. So I just search for GitHub. That will then show you every time that word is mentioned. One last thing you can do, if you untoggle the timestamps, you can actually copy the whole transcript. So highlight it all and then hold down and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And there you go. That's pretty much how you can highlight it all, then right click and copy, and you've copied the whole transcript. So that's how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.